Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to convert BTC to USDT on Bybit. So let's get into the video. So open up Bybit. So go to bybit.com or you can use the app, it doesn't matter. So once you're on Bybit, log into your account. So once you've logged into your account here, so what you're going to do, you're going to click on this trade option here. So you have this trade under trade option here. You will have spot trading, so simply click on spot trading. So when you click on spot trading here, so you will get to this page here. So what you're going to do here when you get to this page here, so here you can, so if you want to convert your BTC to US dollars, so you can either use the buy option to convert from USDT to BTC, or if you want to convert from BTC to USDT, click on the sell option here, and then here whatever based on your available BTC. So I don't have any balance, so won't exactly be able to show you, but based on your balance here, so you can just type in the amount and the quantity, everything, and then the value you'll get, you can check from here the USD value you can get, and then what you're going to do, hit on sell BTC and then complete the prompt in order to complete these transactions. In that way you'll be able to convert your BTC to USDT. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.